Welcome to the Oracle Utilities Digital Self-Service Transactions Cloud Service Overview. Today, I'm going to tell you about the features that are available in this service and discuss how they can benefit your organization. We'll also discuss some additional resources that are available if you want to learn more about DSS transactions. Let's start with an overview of this service. DSS Transactions is an authenticated digital customer experience that customers can use to complete transactional self-service functions such as viewing and paying their bills, signing up for utility programs, and starting and stopping service. The DSS Transactions Cloud Service supports the service types defined in the customer-to-meter system. Service types are the specific types of service for which usage can be recorded and captured, such as electricity, gas, water, and wastewater. DSS Transactions provides a responsive design that allows customers to complete all available transactions on any device or screen size and orientation. This includes computer screens, tablets, and mobile phones. By enabling your customers to easily complete transactional tasks on their own, you can increase customer satisfaction while decreasing the costs associated with serving those customers. Now let's take a look at the features that make up the DSS Transactions Cloud Service. They include the DSS Overview Dashboard, Billing and Payments, Account and Preference Management, Your Energy Use, the DSS Help Center, and Start, Stop, and Transfer Service. First, let's take a look at the DSS Overview Dashboard feature. The dashboard is displayed when a customer first visits the DSS Transactions site, and it consists of a series of helpful modules that highlight different DSS transaction features. A module is a specific section of content that communicates a particular type of information to customers. These modules include important alerts and notifications, billing information and announcements, usage and billing trends, energy-saving tips, and next best actions. Critical alerts are prominently displayed at the top of the Overview dashboard, enabling customers to view the most important information immediately when they log in. Customers can scroll through all critical alerts. If applicable, the Overview dashboard also displays a single line for non-critical notifications. Customers with more than one non-critical notification see a summary notification. Customers can also click on the Alerts and Notifications link to view details about any available alerts and notifications. The Billing Information and Announcements module contains several helpful areas. First, there is an account selection drop-down for customers who have multiple accounts. Bill information includes details about a customer's most recent bill and summary information about their account. At a glance, customers can easily view their bill amount and due date. Customers can also pay their bill or view additional billing details with the click of a button. The Self-Service Alerts content area shows configurable alerts that can be provided by the customer care and billing system. Standard alerts include payment arrangement status, open service tasks, budget billing enrollment status, and pending start, stop, or transfer service requests. Utilities can also customize the solution to provide additional alerts, such as area outages. Customers can also quickly navigate to bill actions, such as enrolling in autopay or paperless billing programs. The dashboard can also support budget billing and payment arrangements. These options can be hidden for utilities that do not provide these programs. The Usage and Bill Trends module provides insights into a customer's use and costs across all service types in customer-to-meter. This might include gas, electricity, water, or wastewater. When first accessed, the system displays a graph that includes total bill charges across all service types. If users have multiple services with the utility, such as electric, water, or gas, they can select the service they want to view. Once selected, the graph displays the usage and cost trends for the selected service only. The module dynamically displays a quick insight into how the customer's bill cost or usage compared to previous bills. Typically, cost and usage data from the current bill is compared to the same time period from the previous year. Here we see that the customer's bill is $291 higher than last month. If the user has less than 1 year of data, as is true here, the current bill is compared to the prior month rather than the prior year. If the utility also has the Digital Self-Service Energy Management Cloud service, customers have the option to link to the DSS Energy Management Bill Comparison and Data Browser features, which provide additional details about their cost and usage and enables customers to see daily and sub-daily AMI data for gas, electricity, and water. If the utility also has the DSS Energy Management Cloud service, the Tips module displays the top 3 tip guides for the customer's household. The guides that are displayed are based on available customer data, such as home type or living square footage. Tips provide detailed information about how customers can make their homes more energy efficient. Optionally, utilities that have the DSS Energy Management product can also configure targeted ads. The Next Best Action widget provides dynamic and actionable web banners that target specific customer segments. These banners guide customers to the most valuable opportunities or solutions available to them and direct them to tools that can help them manage usage and costs or sign up for relevant programs. Powered by an intelligent recommendation engine, Next Best Actions uses customer attributes and segmentation to determine which banner to display for each customer. Next, let's take a look at the Billing and Payments feature. DSS Billing and Payments is a collection of features that enable customers to easily complete common billing and payment tasks on their own. Using these features, customers can view a summary of their current bill, pay their bill, pay bills for multiple accounts, access links to bill and usage data, and manage billing program information. The Current Bill Summary module displays the user's current bill at a glance, enabling users to review their previous balance, payments and adjustments, past due amounts, and new charges. Those amounts are used to calculate the total amount due, which displays at the bottom along with the due date. The Bill Overview and Scheduled Payments module displays the current bill total and due date, along with additional messaging if the payment is past due. If applicable, upcoming scheduled payments are listed along with the current bill amount. Customers can select the Make a Payment option, which allows them to make a one-time payment. After clicking the button, customers are prompted to select the payment amount, payment date, and payment method. Customers with multiple accounts can also choose to make multiple payments at one time. Customers can select the individual accounts to pay and then click Make a Payment to enter payment details. After clicking the button, customers are prompted to select the payment amount, payment date, and payment method. The Bill and Usage Links section provides users with a list of links to other relevant billing functionality, including the bill breakdown, billing and payment history, bill comparison, and communication preferences. Providing customers with these useful links enables them to explore their cost, usage, and account information, helping them to answer their own questions. Again, this can help increase customer satisfaction and decrease calls to the utility's customer service department. The Manage Your Bills module enables users to manage billing and payment programs such as paperless billing, automatic payments, payment arrangements, and budget billing. Paperless billing provides the same information as paper bills, but is delivered via email. Customers can enroll in paperless billing at any time using their desired email address. They can also edit their email address or opt out of the program at any time. When a customer selects paperless billing, the bill route type is set so that the utility bill print process knows whether to send the bill using email or print format. Automatic payments enable customers to define their preferred payment settings, which are then used to automatically pay the bill each period when it is due. Customers who enroll in automatic payments must provide their checking account or credit card information. They have the option of setting the automatic payment to pay the full amount due, or they can select a maximum amount to be paid automatically. Enrolled customers can unenroll at any time. The auto payment information is added to the account autopay record. You can configure the system to encrypt the bank account number if desired. When encrypted, the data will be displayed with a masked value, such as a string of asterisks, rather than the actual account number. Payment arrangements can be used to spread out an unpaid balance over future bills so customers can pay it off in manageable installments. Payment options break the unpaid balance down into equal installments over a specified number of bills. The Payment Arrangements page provides customers with details about the utility's partial payment plan, including how the plan works, their current unpaid balance, and the payment options offered by the utility. It also includes a list of frequently asked questions. Interested customers can enroll in the program and select from available payment options. Customers can also sign up for budget billing, which allows customers to pay a budgeted amount each month as opposed to their actual bill amount. DSS transactions can be configured to use the budget plans that are configured in your Oracle Utilities billing system. A common budget plan for a residential customer is to average the utility bills from the previous 12 months and divide them into equal monthly payments. On the budget billing page, customers can review details about the plan and can easily enroll in the program. Enrolled customers can modify or cancel their enrollment at any time. Your billing system administrator can configure the billing plan to calculate a recommended amount and determine when a budget true-up will occur. Customers can also visit the Billing and Payment History tab to view details about all past payments. Arrows next to each payment enable customers to expand the transaction to view additional details. Now let's discuss account and preference management. Customers can use DSS transactions to update their account information online. If a customer has multiple accounts, they can select the account they want to update. Customers can also update their communication preferences, which include setting preferred methods of contact, defining billing delivery methods, setting up billing and payment alert preferences, setting energy use communication preferences, and adding guest users. To access this module, customers click on the Accounts and Preferences link at the top right of their screen. On the Billing Communications tab, customers can set up contact methods to define delivery methods for billing communications and alerts. A minimum of one primary phone and one primary email contact method is required for a utility account. The primary contact methods cannot be deleted, but can be modified. Customers can add or remove additional contact methods at any time. When removing a contact method, any communications assigned to that contact are also removed. If a deleted email address was the only contact method set to receive a utility bill, the bill is automatically sent to the primary email for the account. Customers can choose to receive their bill through standard mail or through email. When a customer selects the email delivery option, they are automatically enrolled in the paperless billing program. Conversely, when they select mail, a link is displayed to enable them to enroll in paperless billing. Customers can update their delivery information by clicking the Edit link. Alert notifications, as defined by the utility, can be sent to the email addresses the customer selects. Common alert notifications include when a bill is ready, due, past due, or exceptionally high. Customers can also subscribe to alerts when a payment has been received or when there is an outage. Each of the billing and payment alerts may have additional delivery options, as defined by the billing system, an integrated email or SMS delivery provider. To update billing and payment alert information, click on the icon next to the alert and select the appropriate contact method. Be aware that the DSS transaction system does not send the alert. Your Oracle Utilities billing system must be integrated with an email or SMS delivery provider. On the Energy Use Communications tab, customers can set up contact details for additional recipients. Energy Use Communications can be used to subscribe to O-Power communications such as Email Home Energy Report, weekly energy breakdown emails, or high bill alert emails. On the Manage Web Account tab, customers can update their account name and add or remove utility accounts that they want to manage online. Using the Connected Accounts feature, Customers can connect one or more accounts to their web login. Each utility account has a nickname, account ID, and address. The customer must be the main customer on the account and have the required IDs to successfully connect the accounts. If the customer is not the main account holder, they can request that the main account holder add them as a guest user. The customer will go through a two-step wizard to connect their utility account. To connect an account, customers must know their account number and verify their identity, which could be their social security number, driver's license, or phone number, depending on the utility's setup. The identity verification questions are configured during setup. Different verification questions can be configured for residential and commercial customers. The main account holder can also invite guest users to access their accounts. Account owners can set the permissions of the guest user to determine their level of access. Access levels can be changed at any time, and guest users can be removed at any time. When adding a guest user, customers specify the name, email address, and access level for the guest. An email is then sent to the guest user with instructions on how to register. The guest user will be prompted to accept the invitation to the account. Now let's move on to the Your Energy Use module. If the utility also has the DSS Energy Management Cloud Service, the Your Energy Use module enables customers to learn about their energy use through a number of different features. Residential customers can access the home energy analysis to get specific information about usage in their homes. They can use Ways to Save to find energy efficiency tips that are relevant to them, and they can use several tools to view their energy use details. These include the bill comparison, billing history, and the data browser. When customers access the Your Energy Use module, they have 4 tabs to choose from. The first is the Energy Use Overview tab. The navigation tabs can be configured by your delivery team to be disabled for certain customer classes, such as residential customers, and also for service types, such as electricity. For example, utilities might only display the Home Energy Analysis option for residential electric or gas customers. The Energy Use Overview tab provides customers with an at-a-glance view of their energy use. They can see how they compare to their neighbors, access energy history, and see their top 5 energy use days of the current month. At the bottom of the page, recommended tip guides are displayed that provide customers with additional information about how they can become more energy efficient. Next is the Home Energy Analysis tab. The Home Energy Analysis is a visual, interactive tool that prompts customers to answer simple questions about their home and their energy habits. The tool provides customers with a better understanding of how they use energy in specific categories and gives utilities insights about their customers that can be used to target O-Power campaigns and promotions more effectively. After the customer completes the audit, they can view their energy use breakdown chart. This analysis is helpful because it breaks down energy use in a way that customers can see the relative proportion of energy they consume in individual categories. Customers can hover over each category in the pie chart to view a pop-up window that displays the percentage of their home's energy use in the selected category. The pop-up also includes a link that customers can use to view category-specific tips, as well as a list of what contributes to the energy use for that category based on their survey. Beneath the breakdown, a message highlights which category has the highest energy cost. Customers can click the button to view a list of category-specific tips that can help them save energy in this category. Next is the Ways to Save tab. Ways to Save presents a personalized selection of energy-saving tips that customers can follow to save money. Tips are organized into behavior-oriented, seasonal, and end-use guides that provide customers with relevant cost-saving recommendations. Engagement with energy-saving tips helps customers understand how to control costs. This positions the utility as an energy advisor for the customer, improving overall customer satisfaction. Next is the Energy Use Details tab. This tab includes the Data Browser, an interactive tool that enables customers to visualize and explore their energy use trends and costs. They can make comparisons to useful benchmarks such as weather and similar homes. One or more of the graphs for cost, use, and similar homes are available from the Data Browser, depending on the data that is available. The Data Browser can support both cost and usage data for electric, gas, water, and wastewater services. The cost graph helps customers understand how much money they are spending during various time periods. The bars represent cost, while the line represents the average temperature, which helps customers understand the correlation between weather and energy costs. The usage graph displays how much energy or water the customer used during various time periods. The bars represent usage, and lighter bars represent estimated usage. The line represents the average temperature during each time period to show the correlation between weather and usage. Customers can also click on the graph to view weather and cost tooltips. Customers with smart meters can click on a bar to drill down and view daily consumption data. When viewing daily consumption, customers also see the weather line. All weather data is retrieved from the weather.com weather station at the closest airport. Customers can also click on a bar in the daily view and see their consumption by hour. The neighbor graph, which is sometimes called the similar homes graph, enables customers to compare their energy use against similar homes over each billing period in the last year. 3 lines are displayed on the graph. In this example, U, which represents the customer, is shown in blue. All neighbors are shown in gray, and efficient neighbors are shown in green. This graph helps customers determine whether they are being more or less energy efficient than their neighbors, which can prompt them to step up their energy savings. The Data Browser also provides cost and use graphs for water and wastewater customers. Customers can use this information to understand how much money they are spending and how much water or wastewater they are consuming during various time periods. Water and wastewater are presented as separate resource types, similar to how electricity and gas are presented to customers. Customers can view a water use or a water costs chart to gain insight into how they are using water and how much it is costing them. Now let's spend some time discussing the DSS Transactions Help Center. The DSS Transactions Help Center enables customers to ask questions online, access a list of common do-it-yourself actions, and access contact information for the utility. Oracle Customer Care and Billing Administrators can easily configure the forms in the Help Center without a web developer. To access the Help Center, customers click on the Contact Us link at the top of their screen. Customers are then given the option to ask the utility a question. Customers can ask questions to receive information and guidance on their specific needs. Customers can select from pre-configured topics to help guide them to the right answer. Topics are easily configurable through the use of customer care and billing campaigns. Customers can attach files or photos to help provide additional detail about their question, such as a picture of a broken meter or an image of something that looks strange on their bill. Customers can also check the status of any pending questions and respond as needed with follow-up information. They can also view their question history, which includes any responses they received from the utility. Customers can see all open questions and resolved questions. Customers can interact with your customer service department. Customer service representatives can respond to customers in real time. Customers looking to complete certain tasks can review a list of available actions that they can complete online. This list highlights DSS transaction features that customers can complete themselves. The links enable customers to complete billing and payment tasks, such as signing up for autopay or setting up payment arrangements. They can complete service and account-related tasks, such as starting, stopping, or transferring service. Links can be configured to your outage map and outage reporting system. Lastly, the Help Center provides customers with different ways that they can contact the utility. The Other Ways to Get in Touch module can be configured to provide your customers with common contact methods, such as phone numbers, email addresses, and mail contact information. The last feature we're going to discuss today is the Start, Stop, and Transfer Service feature. This feature is a self-service option that enables customers to add an additional service location to their account, stop service completely, or to transfer service from one location to another. Customers can access the DSS Energy Management web portal and access the Start and Stop Service menu to make service modifications. This feature provides instructions that walk customers through their service change. Depending on what action the customer takes and whether they are an existing utility customer, these actions kick off a variety of high-level workflows. The Transfer Service feature allows customers to quickly move their service from one location to another. The system walks the customer through the process, asking them to provide required information, which includes the address of the old and new locations, start and stop dates, and contact information. The first step of the process is to enter the service address they will use to start service or stop service. The address the customer is moving into must be a valid address in the customer care and billing system. The customer can then select the date to start or stop service. The dates available to the customer are defined in the CC&B work calendar, which can be configured to exclude weekends and holidays. The customer can then answer any questions required to start service. This includes answering questions to help select a rate plan. For example, does the customer qualify for a senior citizen rate? The questions are configurable by your billing administrator. The customer can then confirm the mailing address. The new premise address is used as the default for add and transfer service. The customer must supply the mailing address for the final bill for a stop service. The customer is able to review their request before submitting. The blue box is configurable to describe the utility's start service requirements, such as deposits or credit checks. The customer must agree to the terms and conditions before clicking the Submit button. When the customer completes the process, a confirmation message is displayed. A confirmation email can also be sent to the email address supplied in the customer care and billing system. Stop service enables a customer to stop service for an account or for a specific service agreement. For example, a customer might want to stop service on a seasonal barn. The customer will need to provide the service address, stop date of the service, and a customer phone number and mailing address for the final bill. Again, the customer can review the request before submitting it. Customers can easily understand where they are in the process. A status bar at the top of the screen indicates which step the customer is currently on. Utilities can also configure their system to enable new customers, also known as unauthenticated users, to start service online. New customers follow a similar process as existing users, but are typically required to provide additional information. That concludes our overview of the DSS transactions features. We've showed you how customers can serve themselves by viewing their information in an easy-to-use dashboard, update their billing and payment information, manage their account preferences, explore their energy usage, access the Help Center, and start, stop, and transfer utility services. And now you know that DSS Transactions is a digital, authenticated customer experience that enables customers to complete common utility-related tasks on their own, thereby increasing customer satisfaction and decreasing the costs associated with servicing these customers. For additional information about the Oracle Utilities O-Power Digital Self-Service Transactions Cloud Service or other Oracle products, visit us online at docs.oracle.com. Thanks for watching.